Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change front camera viewfinder size, you can change picture resolution, you can set up record time limit, you can set up file size limit, and you can also record touch points. So in order to start recording, just tap on this button once, tap start, then this kind of menu appears. Here is like the timer. After this timer ticks, the recording starts. You can pause your recording, then you can play it again. You can enable this video viewfinder, so-called. You can switch sound settings here, and you can also draw something on the screen, like make some marks to show something, and something like that. When you're done recording, just tap on this red button once, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, okay, screen record, here it is. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. You can also perform some other actions from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.